Hi guys, how are you all doing? I want to believe everybody's doing great. We are fine here in Ireland. Despite the lockdown, God is faithful. Today I'm here with another recipe, bitter leaf soup. And this time I'll be making it the way we make it in my own village. Here are the ingredients. As you can see, this is goat meat. This one is cow skin. And I have my salt. And here is my Titus fish. Here is croaker fish. I just want the taste of freshness, which is why I'm using this one. This is my pepper. Here's my crayfish. This is the stock that I'll be using, and this is my dry catfish. Yes. Then this particular fish, I don't use it to make soup, but today is my first time of using it. It's called Alaska fish. We normally will grill it and use it for chips. And here is my stockfish. Then this is the bitter leaf that I'll be using. All I do with it is just to rinse it, get rid of the sand if there is any. Then I'll just blend. I love the bitterness, so I don't take time to wash it. This is Banga concentration that I'll be using. Ghana best. Then this one is I don't know if you're saying this. Okay, this is the chicken, smoked chicken that I'll be using. Then I think these are the major ingredients. I have my nut cube there. These are the major ingredients. So if I have to add anything, like I always say, I'll let you know. Let's go over to the kitchen while I prep my ingredients. So the pot is on fire. Here's the stock I'll be adding to the pot. This is the banga meat. Truth is, I don't normally do this, but I just want to try it out to see if I'm going to see any sand in there. So I'll be pouring the mix right now. I did not notice any trace of sand or any kind of dirt. This chicken actually tastes like bush meat when you use it to make soup. This is the cow skin. I love cutting it into bite size. This is the croaker fish. So the soup is boiling. So all you need to do is to start to add the things that you want to add. So this is the croaker fish. Here's the chicken. So I've just added the smoked chicken and the fish. I'm adding the smoked catfish. Here's the smoked Titus. I'll be adding it right now. This is the stockfish. This is the Cameroon pepper I'm adding right now. The goat meat also added. Here's my salt. And the cubes. So I'll put this one first. Then some of the crayfish. So I allow it to boil while I go over to prepare the bitter leaf. The bitter leaf is blended. We'll be adding the paste to the soup. The soup is boiling up. That's the paste, the bitter leaf paste. So now I'm going to cover up and just let the soup boil. Then I'll come back to add the remaining ingredients that I have here. So I'll let it boil up and thicken up. This is the momo. The soup has boiled up, so we're going to be adding the remaining ingredients. This is iru. Alaska fish that I told you of, that I've not used before. I grilled it a little. I'll have to taste for salt, pepper, wow. I don't need to add salt or any other thing, just to allow it to boil. And this is the remaining crayfish. You can see it's already thickened up. So in the next 5 minutes, I'll be taking it away from the fire. Wow, the soup is ready. We've come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post anything, you'll be the first to know, because I do film about different things on this channel. I film about my faith, food, fashion, and family. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel once again. And I want to say thank you to my subscribers. And if you are joining the family for the first time, God bless you. Happy viewing. And I'll be coming your way with another video. Like I always say, keep basking in the joy of the Lord. This is the end result. Wow, where are my village people? Oriwo is ready.